Hey everyone, it's Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. So today I'm going to be making my super easy vegan chicken salad. I had some requests for some more healthy recipes, so I thought this was a good one. You're going to love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support and for being here. This is going to be so easy and so refreshing, and I'm going to actually give you a little option that you can make an actual chicken salad as well. So this one only takes 5 ingredients. I've got my can of garbanzo beans, a little celery, green onion, walnuts, or you could do like slivered almonds or leave the nuts out if you don't want that, and a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then just a few spices that we're gonna add, and then that's it. So to start, what you're gonna do is you're going to rinse and drain your garbanzo beans. Then you're gonna put them into a bowl, and now I'm gonna be mashing these garbanzo beans. I'll kind of tilt it up so you can see just with the fork. You're just gonna be mashing them up. You can mash them up as small or as big as you want, but you wanna make sure you get each of them so that it gets that little more of that consistency that's a little like thicker, so you won't be thinking you're eating just a garbanzo bean. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I think that's pretty much the good consistency that I want. All the beans are mashed up. So next, what you're gonna do is just add in all the other ingredients. You know, and make it your own, because maybe you don't want to put celery, but you want to put something else into it. So however you usually make a normal chicken salad, if you've ever done that before, you can just do it the same exact way, but with the garbanzo beans. So I'm gonna add the mayonnaise in. You can use a vegan mayonnaise. Remember, if you want to just keep it totally vegan. I've got a stalk of celery here. I'm gonna put right in. I've got some green onion. Just one sprig there I kind of diced up earlier. And then we love to put walnuts in it. So I'm gonna put, oh, I don't know, maybe that looks like 3 or 4 tablespoons of walnuts. Put that in. And then this here, I just wanted to show you too. This is with actual chicken. And it's the same exact thing. I just cooked and shredded some chicken, and then I added the same ingredients that I'm gonna add into this one. So the celery, green onion, the walnuts, and some spices. So I'm gonna add a little paprika as well. This kind of just helps to bring out the flavor a bit. So just a few sprinkles in there. A little bit of dill I added, so not too much in this one, but go ahead and put that in both of your chicken salad as well. And this is a cayenne pepper. So this one's spicy, so I'm not gonna put it into this one, but we love to add that into our chicken salad. And then a little salt and pepper. Let me just grab that real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a few sprinkles of pepper and some salt, maybe about like 10 shakes here. And now I'm gonna mix this all together. You're gonna chill it for a little while and enjoy. You can eat it plain, you can eat it on a bed of lettuce, you can put it on some bread. I think you're gonna really love it and be surprised how good this tastes. So now I'm just gonna mix this all together. I might need a little bit more of some mayonnaise. I know some people also might use some yogurt or something, wherever you might dress your sandwich or your salads instead. I'm sure that will work fine too. So I'm just gonna mix this all in now, and you can kind of get the idea there. See, it looks just like very similar to the chicken salad that I have right there. So I hope you guys will enjoy this. Let me know if you try this recipe and what you think, and maybe what ingredients you might add, and I will see you guys next time.